Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have learned what is decimal and how to read the decimal number, how to write the expandation form we have learned, and how to convert a fractional number into a decimal number into a fractional number we have learned. Today we are going to learn what is mean by like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal is nothing but decimals having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals. Decimals having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals, like this. Decimals having equal number of decimal places, that decimals having equal number of decimal places. For example, here it is now here it is whole number part, decimal part, whole number part, decimal part, whole number part, decimal part. Decimal part should be equal. Here we have two decimals, here we have two decimals, here we have these two decimals. So these are like decimals. If we have like this 3.7, next more one 8.73, next 9.70. Now these are not like decimals. Why? Because here you have only one decimal point, then remaining two are 2. All decimal places should be equal. ఇక్కడ decimal places equal గా ఉన్నాయా? No. Here you have only one, remaining are 2. If you have more one, then these are called like decimals. Now it is not like decimal. Why? Because here you have only one decimal place. Decimal places should be equal, like this. Then 3.893, 4.670, 15.5871. If you have like this, here decimal places are 3 decimals, 3 decimals, 3 decimals. Then these are called decimal places. That means decimals having equal number of decimal places are called like decimals. Then the decimals which are not having equal decimals, that are unlike decimals. Decimal places lo equal number of decimals unte avemo like decimals antaru. If we have unlike decimals, if we have the now here we have equal number of decimals are there in decimal part. If you have the equal number of decimals, then that are called like decimals. If we don't have the equal number of decimals, then that are called unlike decimals. Ikkada equal number of decimals unnaya? No. So it is unlike decimal. Like decimal, unlike decimal. Here only we have how to convert a like decimal into unlike decimal. Like decimal ni unlike decimal loki ela convert cheyali. If we have unlike decimals, for example, if I have like this 3.970, it is one 13.42, 81.2. Now these are like decimals or unlike decimals. These are unlike decimals. Why? Because in decimal part here we have 3 decimals, here we have 2 decimals, here we have only 1 decimal. Now it is unlike decimal. Now we have to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. How to convert? If it is unlike decimal, then you have to count in which decimal number we have more highest decimal numbers. Here in this 970 we have 3 decimals. So we have to convert remaining 2 decimals also into 3. Then how to convert, madam? Simply you have to write zeros to the right side of that decimal number. Now it is 3.970. Here we have 2 decimals only. So we need more one. So that's why that is 13.420. Then 81.200. Then I said already after decimal point there is no value. Now it is 42 also, you can count. Sorry, 42 also or 420 also, no problem. 81.200 also, 81.2 also. Here now it is unlike decimal. We have converted this unlike decimal into like decimal. The decimal places having equal number of decimals are called like decimals. Decimal places having not equal number of decimals are called unlike decimals. Then how to convert unlike decimals into like decimals with one more example. Here I will take 89.93. Next 1.3. Next 76.7850. Now these are unlike decimals. Now I want to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. Then how to convert? Then you have to see here in which decimals you have more decimal, in which decimal number you have more decimal numbers. Here in this decimal number, here we have 4 decimal plots, 4 decimals. So you have to convert remaining into also 4. So 89.93. Here I need 4 but I have only 2. So add 2 zeros to the right side of the decimal part. Next 1.3, I have only 1 but here I need 4, so I need to write 3 zeros. Here 4 decimals, here 4 decimals, so this number you have to write as this because already it is like this one only. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only in decimal part you have to take. Don't go for whole number part because our chapter is decimals only. No, decimals గురించి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ మీరు డెసిమల్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. It is about like decimal, like unlike decimal, and how to convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Okay, children. Then how to compare the decimal? How to compare the decimal means which is the greater decimal and which is the smaller decimal. Then comparison of decimals. Comparison of decimals. Comparison of decimals. Here, if I have like this. Now, how to compare? If you want to compare any two decimals, first of all, you have to compare the whole number part. What do you have in the whole number part? 0. What do you have in the whole number part out of these two? Now, both are same here? No. Both the numbers are same? No. Here it is 0, here it is 1. Which is a greater number? 1 is a greater number, so 1.4 is a greater number. Like this you have to compare. Understand? Then if you have like this, then how to? Now it is 0.83, it is 117.42. Then what do you have in the ones place? 0. What do you have in the ones place? Sorry, what is the first decimal? 0. What is the first decimal? 1. Which is a greater number? 0 or 1? 1 is a greater number, so 17.42 is a greater decimal. Like this you have to compare the decimals. You have to do like this. The conversion of like decimals into unlike decimals and comparison of decimals. Have you understood, children? Then if you have understood directly, we will go to the exercise. Exercise 5.3, page number 90. Fill in the blanks using less than, greater than or equal symbol. Exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Fill the blanks using less than, greater than or equal. Fill the blanks with less than or greater than or equal symbol. Equal. First one they have given 0.7 and 0.2. Then first number here 0, here 0. If the first digit is same, then you have to compare the second digit. Here point is there, here point is there. After point, what is the first digit? 7. Second here, first digit is 2. Which is a greater number? 7. So 7 is a greater number. Next second one. 0.8, 0.4. Here 0, 0. Decimal point, decimal point. Here you have 8, here you have 4. 8 is the greater number, greater digit. Third one. 0.12 and 0.24. Here in decimal part, whole number, first number is 0, first number is 0. If the whole number part is same, then go to the decimal part. Here you have decimal point, here also you have decimal point. Then compare the first digit in decimal part. 1, you have 2. Which is a greater number? 1 or 2? 2 is a greater number. Like this you have to compare and you have to compare remaining. Here we have 10 problems are there. 10 more problems, sorry. Actually we have 10. Out of the 10 I have explained 3. Remaining 7 problems are your homework you have to complete. Then be with arrange the following decimals in ascending order. Then you have to write in descending order. You have to arrange them in ascending order and descending order. That means you have to write small to big and big to small. Be with. Arrange the following decimals in the ascending order. Arrange the following decimals in order. ASCENDING, ascending order. First question 0.8, next 0.42, next 0.08, next 0.03, next 0.12. Now we have to write in ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? The arrangement of numbers from smaller number to greater number is called ascending order. Now we have to write in ascending order. Now here we have to write this in ascending order. To write ascending order, descending order, first of all we have to convert this unlike decimals into like decimals. All these are unlike decimals only. Now here we have only one decimal place, two decimal places, two decimal places, two decimal places, two decimal places. So all are two only except this. So we have to convert this into like decimals first. So to convert into like decimals, what we have to do? Simply here we have to arrange on 0. So it is 0.80, it is 0.42, it is 0.08, now it is 0.03, it is 0.12. Now all are converted into like decimals. After conversion of like decimals, then what we have to do? We have to write this in ascending order. To write ascending order, what we have to do? We have to compare the first number first. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If the whole number part is same, then compare the decimal number part. In decimal part, first number is 8, 4, 0, 0, 1. Here what is the smaller number? 0 is the smaller number, but here and here we have zeros. So if the decimal part first number is same, then compare the decimal part second number. Here 8 is, here 3. So 3 is a smaller number, so 0.03. Next 0.08. Next here it is. Now compare. Here 8, 4, 1. So 0.12. Next here 4, here 8. So 0.42. Last finally 0.80. Then I'll explain one problem, that is explain first one, second one are like this only. So I'll explain fifth one now. 1.1, 1.236, 1.376, 1.415, 1.317. Now all are unlike decimals. How to convert unlike decimals into like decimals? Here we have 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. So only here we have 1 decimal place. Then what you have to do? You have to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. So 1.100. Now it is also 3 decimals, 3 decimals. So simply 1.236, 1.376, 1.415, 1.317. Then writing in ascending order, small to big. First number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then compare the second digit. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. What is the smaller number? 1 is the smaller number. So write here 1. 1.100. It has completed. Next compare the first digit is same only. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then compare the second digit. 2, 3, 4, 3. Here which is the smaller one? 2 or 3? 2 is the smaller number. So 1.236. Next here 1.376, 415, 317. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there. 3 is the smaller number, but here and here in both places we have 3. If the first digit is same, then you have to compare the second digit. Second is 7, second digit 1. So which is the smaller number? 1 is the smaller number. So 1.317. Next 1.376. Finally 1.415. Like this you have to write in ascending order. Understand? If they are unlike decimal, then you have to count the decimal place and write that in like decimal. Then based on the numbers you have to write in ascending order. That means small to big you have to write. Next bit, arrange the following decimals in the descending order. Descending order is nothing but arrangement of numbers from greater number to smaller number is called descending order. That means opposite of ascending order also we can say. See it. In B bit how many are there? In B bit we have 6 problems are there. Out of 6 I have explained 2. Remaining 4 are there. That 4 problems are your homework. Then next, descending order. First question. First question, 1.62, 1.732, 1.71, 1.32, 1.21. Now all are unlike decimals. Now first of all we have to convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. Now count in which decimal we have more numbers. Here we have more numbers, that is 3. So we have to count remaining all are into 3 digits. So that is 1.620 and 1.732. Next 1.710, 1.320, 1.210. Now all are converted into like decimals. After conversion of like decimals, we have to write in descending order. That means big to small we have to write. How to write? Then compare the first digit 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then compare the second number. Here 6 is there. Here 7, 7, 3, 2. Then which is a greater number? 7 is a greater number. But here we have 7. Here also we have 7. If the first digit is same, then we have to compare the second digit. Second is 3, 1. So 1.732 is a greater number. Next 1.710. Next 1.620. Next 1. Here see, here 3, here 2. 3 is a greater number. 320. Finally 1.210. Understand? It is a descending order. Either that is ascending order or descending order. First of all, we have to convert the given unlike decimals into like decimals. Then we have to count and write ascending order or descending order. Next question, which one I have to explain? I will explain second one and you have to write remaining. Second problem is 0.7, 0.63, 0.03, 0.3, 0.13. Then here some are unlike decimals are there. In which decimal we have more points? Here 2 is there, here 2. So we have to convert remaining into 2 decimals. So that's why that is 0.70, 0.63 as it is, because already we have 2 decimals only. 0.03, 0.30 and 0.13. Then write in descending order, big to small. First digit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then after first digit, here 7, 6, 0, 3, 1. So first we will get 0.70. Next we will get 0.63. Next here first digit is 0. First digit is 0. Sorry, after part first digit is 3. After part first digit is 1. So which is a greater number? 0.30 is a greater number. Next 0.13 is a greater number. 0.03 is the next greater number. Like this you have to convert remaining all. So 3, 4. For third problem and fourth problem we have to convert. For fifth and sixth there is no need to convert because already they have given in like decimals only. 3 decimals 3, 3, 3, 3. Here also 3, 3, 3 decimals are there. No need to convert. Just write as it is and count the numbers and write in descending order. That means big to small we have to write. Fifth దానికి సిక్స్త్ దానికి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు నాన్న, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ లైక్ డెసిమల్స్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి. లైక్ డెసిమల్స్ లో ఉంటే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదు. ఫిఫ్త్ లో చెప్తాను మీరండి. ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ సేమ్ లైక్ సిక్స్త్ వన్ 4.156, 4.312, 4.126, 4.318, 381, 4.256. Descending order we have to write. Before going to descending order we have to convert this into like decimals. But here there is no need to convert because here each and every time we have 3 decimals only. So no need to convert. That means all these are like decimals. If you have like decimals then there is no need to convert. Directly you can write descending order. Now how to write descending order? Big to small. Before point first digit is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Then compare the second digit here. We have 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. 3 is a greater number but here and here we have 3. If the first digit is same then you have to compare the second digit. Here 1, here 8. So 4.318. 4.381. Next 4.312. Next 4.256. Next 4.156. 4.156 and finally 4.126. it is descending order. That means if you have like decimals, then there is no need to convert. You have to write as it is and you have to write ascending order, descending order. Understand? I hope you have understood this class. Then remaining all problems you have to complete. Here we have 6 problems are there. Out of 6 I have explained 3. More 3 you have to complete. Okay children, complete your homework up to here. In the next class we will go for addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay.